right, I got to share some love for the city of Lansing. It's Leaf Day, and you see how this happens in the Midwest. Lansing's doing a good job. These guys are busting their asses, and they're sweeping up. They're cleaning up around the sewers, and then the street sweepers coming through. Talk to one of the guys. Nice, really nice man, really cool. But I want to thank them. I want to shout out to the city of Lansing for showing where our tax dollars can go in some good places, getting this stuff done. We got big trees in this neighborhood. It's a blessing to have them working and doing it and taking care of us. So again, not enough good love goes around. Got to share it. Thank you guys. Thank you, the city of Lansing, for doing what you're doing. Appreciate it. Again, I want to thank the city of Lansing for doing what they're doing with getting our leaves all scooped up and taking care of business today. And we got our last round going, but when you get good weather like this in the Midwest, you got to take advantage of it. So not enough love goes out. I'm throwing you some love. City of Lansing, good job. Way to go, guys. The guys they got it going on. They got a freaking crew. They got a program going on here. It's freaking great. Thank you guys so much, and thank you, City. Peace out.